This video is about my visit here in Cebu Yacht Club, in which also house the Spice Indian restaurant, you know, the one that I always take my takeout for Old B, and they keep on inviting me over here. So now that I'm passing through Mactan, I'll just have to video them. I'm walking now here in Cebu Yacht Club. I'm going inside because I will have a look, because my friend that owned the Spice restaurant has invited me over here to see their restaurant. Now you can see where they are located here in Cebu Yacht Club. So you can see there's several restaurants that's here, and they are just one of them. So you can see the Spice from here. Pwede mo sod? I'll just go here and buy a garden. And it looks very nice. They had an open bar. And he got that bamboo structure there on the top. And of course, they have the view of the Yachts Club from the restaurant. So I'll have a look inside. Hello. So I'm now here in my favorite Indian restaurant, the authentic Indian restaurant called The Spice. You have seen me feature the restaurant in some of my videos, and when I pick up Old B's Takeout, and now this is their new branch here around inside Cebu Yacht Club, and it's just in the vicinity where you can actually see the yachts and overlooking the sea. You can notice that their facilities here, the restaurant has an open bar. Like when we come in, you can see it, and it's bigger. So you can have short orders and drinks around here, right on a garden view and the view of the sea. Aside from they have a dining inside and air conditioning, they also have a dining upstairs, which I will be showing you as I go up. So you got a very nice view here when you go up here. And look at that. The yachts of the millionaires, and they have an open air dining area on the top of the restaurant. So the Indian food that they offer is authentic Southern Indian cuisine. So you have a Hawaiian basin there. You're also overlooking some of the restaurants in the area. And so you can see this is so different than what they have in Banilad. They got a nice breeze of sea wind here. Nice view. Look at all those interesting yachts that you see while you're dining up here. So this is another restaurant that you can come here when you visit Cebu City is the Spice, which is have branches from Vanilla and branches here in Mactan Wharf. I'll be showing you. I'll try to get their menu so I could show you, but you can actually search their menu to Zomato app, or because they have displayed their menu there, including the prices. That's why I'm only showing you their location, and I'm one of their loyal customers because I keep on buying their food 2 or 3 times a month, or maybe more sometimes when I'm so busy. Like right now, I'm filming around. I'm also taking out Indian takeout for Old B. So that's the Cebu Yacht Club there, and you can see there are boats for rent right there on the right side. So we'll have a walk around. So those are the maintenance boys of those yacht club. This one here got solar panels. And those are the for rent, because they are like for the day thing. So I'll have a look around here. They have a nice bar. You're open until what time?
10 p.m.
10 p.m. Open 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. And let's have a walk around here because this is part of their property, and you can also see there's another one there is Mr. Crab. Another restaurant here is this on the side, but I'll have a look at the view on the back. So those are the yachts for rent. Look, Roomba Island Tour. So this is the Spice area, my favorite Indian restaurant that at must for you to try, especially people from the UK, which they love Indian food. The Spice is one of those authentic Southern Indian cuisine. Now, since I'm also doing a tour here in the Cebu Yacht Club area,